Another spike in the number of new cases in Arkansas. The state recorded more than 1,000 new cases today, making it the highest number of new daily cases in 2 weeks. The total now stands at 76,676. Here's a look at the latest numbers from the Department of Health. Of the confirmed cases, more than 6,600 are active. 56 additional antigen tests were also recorded, with 17 new deaths. Close to 69,000 patients have now recovered statewide.